Protecting SoundCheck sequences prevents other users from changing your sequences. It also hides the sequence information. This protects your intellectual property from anyone you share the sequence with, for example, your contract manufacturer. Let me show you how easy this is to do. Sequences are unlocked by default, and the padlock icon is gray. Right-click on the icon to edit sequence protection. Once a password has been entered, the padlock icon will turn green when the editor is closed. Click OK to close the window. Left-click on the green padlock icon to lock the sequence. Note that the sequence cannot be edited without the password. Please keep a record of your passwords. Click on the lock button and the padlock icon will turn red. The sequence can now be run, but steps and limits cannot be changed. In fact, when I try to open up the sequence editor or any of the steps from the setup menu, I can't see any information at all. Note that hardware and calibration can still be opened. To see the sequence details or make any changes, the sequence must be unlocked by entering the password. You can also configure a sequence to only run on a particular SoundCheck license or block of system hardware keys. Let's open up the sequence editor and double-click on Overall Sequence. Now select Configure Sequence Protection. This requires that you enter the current password. Under the Hardware Key Protection heading, select Enable. Now I can either enter the key information in the fields manually, or if I select Generate, I can navigate to a folder that contains status.dat files for all the systems I wish to enable. Select the current folder. This will automatically read and import the correct license information for each of the selected DAT files. You can manually edit this list if you want. For example, I can delete this key. Now the sequence can only be run on these licenses, guaranteeing your measurements are made on a genuine SoundCheck system with all the capabilities needed to successfully run the sequence. And to finish off, just a final word of caution. All sequence protection data is encrypted, so make sure you have that password in a safe place as we can't unlock your sequences for you.